Hey everyone, I'm Chris from Japan WNY, and today we're going to show you how to make Teru Bozu, good weather dolls. Teru means shine, and Bozu means monk, which refers to the bald head and flowing robe of the dolls. Children in Japan often make these on the day before a picnic to wish for a sunny day, and they're also a common sight in windows and trees during the rainy season. We'll show you some examples of both, just don't hang them upside down unless you want it to rain. It just takes a few seconds to make a traditional Teru Bozu. All you need is 2 sheets of tissue and a rubber band. You can also make a more sturdy type with fabric and string. Roll up 1 sheet of tissue into a ball for the head. Then put the other tissue over the head and wrap it with a rubber band. If you have some markers, you can then add a face to your Teru Bozu. And it's ready to go.
We're going to make a Teru Bozu doll, which is a little doll that you use to keep the rain away and bring a sunny day.
For the body of your doll, you're going to need a square piece of fabric. Any old t-shirt or bed sheet will do. You're going to want to cut this in 15 by 15 inches or 38 by 38 centimeters.
First, make 2 small holes near the center of the fabric with scissors.
You flip it over, and I'll help Elena. And then you put your ball right in the middle. Right, want that one right here?
We should mention, you don't need a ball pit to make the head of the Teru Bozu. You can use newspaper, tissue paper, or even a tightly packed grocery bag. Be creative.
You put it around, make sure it's equal like I'm doing, like this.
To hang up your doll, you will need string of any type. And for the neck of your doll, you'll need a piece of ribbon. If you have a golden bell around your house, you could tie the golden bell around his neck, but it's optional. All of these are 15 by 15 inches in length or 38 by 38 centimeters.
Don't forget to draw a face. I'm gonna go draw one.
Finally, tie some ribbon around the neck and add the bell. Now your Teru Bozu is ready to keep the rain away.
I hope everyone had a great time making your Teru Bozu doll. I know I did. If you want to learn more about the Japan Culture Center of Western New York, visit us at japanwny.org, or you can check us out on our Facebook page.